Today we have a 2009 Honda Fit. This is my old car that I sold to a family member. He brought it to a mechanic because it was cranking but not starting. They quoted him with brand new tires, a brand new engine, and or engine diagnosis for timing issues. All of these were a complete lie. It was a very simple fix. Guys, don't get scammed. Let's see how I started this in clear flood mode. No, dude. You would hear it if it was jacking it up. But one time this thing sat for like over the winter. And I had to do that. I don't know why it does that, but
got the fucking magical part.
Guys, don't get scammed by a shop. Always double check what they say. Well, it sounds good.
It sounds good?
Yeah. Was there any other problems that you were having?
Well, they said that the ball bearing was fucked up.